Hi, my lovelies. How are you all doing? It's been a while. Welcome back to another edition of my eating show. I hope you guys are doing well. So, guys, today we are going to be having some eguisi with ogbono soup mixed together. So, I'm just so stick around. Let's dive in. Hope you guys have had something to eat. I'm sorry, guys, that I haven't been posting for a while now. I just have a lot on my hands, so yes, but hopefully you're back and back for good. So, guys, my hands are already washed, so let's just dive in because I'm really hungry. Oh, so hot. Here, have your first bite. Mm, mm. So good. Yeah. So good. Mm. Oh my. Oh. Mm. It's hot. Oh. Mm. It's so good. Egusi and ogbono, perfect combination. So delicious. Mm. Yeah. Mm. So good. Seems like today's big bite. I'm so full, but we're done. Fish. Come on. Last bite. That will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, share if you care, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.